If you haven't totally revamped your style in your 30s, then buckle up. Your 30s are a fantastic time to redefine who you are and how you present yourself to the world. It's a decade where you have a better understanding of your personality, your likes and dislikes, and you can use this knowledge to curate a wardrobe that reflects who you've become. Yes, he's successful you. So if you've been feeling stuck in a style rut, now is the perfect time to shake things up and discover a new, more authentic you. It's never too late to find your unique style. Your 30s are about embracing change and growth, and your wardrobe is no exception. Whether you're transitioning from a corporate job to a more creative field, becoming a parent, or wanting to feel more confident in your skin, updating your style can be a powerful way to express these changes. Remember, style is not about following trends blindly. It's about finding what makes you feel comfortable, confident, and true to yourself. Start with a closet clean-out. This is the first step. Go through your wardrobe and be honest with yourself about what you actually wear and what's just taking up space. Donate or sell items that no longer serve you. This process can be incredibly freeing and will give you a clearer picture of what you have and what you need. Plus, it makes room for new pieces that better align with your current style and lifestyle. Keep only what you love and feel great in. Next, explore. Once you've decluttered, it's time to have some fun. Experiment with different styles, colors, and patterns. Try on outfits that you wouldn't normally consider. You might be surprised at what you end up loving. This is your chance to step out of your comfort zone and discover new aspects of your style personality. Remember, fashion is supposed to be fun, so don't be afraid to play around and take risks. Check out new trends, but remember, it's about what makes you comfortable. Trends can be a great source of inspiration, but they shouldn't dictate your entire wardrobe. Pick and choose the elements that resonate with you and incorporate them into your existing style. This way, you stay current without losing your unique flair. Comfort is key, so always prioritize pieces that make you feel good both physically and emotionally. Hit up thrift stores and mix old with new. Thrift stores are treasure troves of unique and affordable fashion finds. Mixing vintage pieces with modern items can create a look that's entirely your own. Plus, shopping secondhand is a sustainable choice that's better for the planet. Take your time to browse through the racks and don't be afraid to try on different styles. You never know what hidden gems you might uncover. And don't forget the power of accessories. Accessories are the finishing touches that can elevate any outfit. Scarves, hats, and funky jewelry can transform your look. They allow you to express your personality and add a unique twist to even the simplest outfits. Experiment with different accessories to see how they can change the vibe of your ensemble. Sometimes, all it takes is a statement necklace or a bold pair of earrings to make you feel like a whole new person. Scarves, hats, and funky jewelry can transform your look. Finally, be you. The most important aspect of finding your style is staying true to yourself. Confidence is the best outfit you can wear. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through your clothing choices. Whether you prefer classic, edgy, bohemian, or a mix of everything, own it with pride. Your style is a reflection of who you are, so wear it with confidence and joy. Confidence is the best outfit you can wear. So go ahead, unlock your unique style and rock your 30s. You've got this. Embrace this exciting journey of self-discovery and enjoy the process of reinventing your wardrobe. Remember, fashion is a form of self-expression, and there are no rules. Have fun, be bold, and most importantly, be yourself. Your 30s are a time to shine, so step out in style and make every outfit a statement of your individuality. So go ahead, unlock your unique style and rock your 30s. You've got this. Embrace this exciting journey of self-discovery and enjoy the process of reinventing your wardrobe. Fashion is a form of self-expression, and there are no rules. Have fun, be bold, and most importantly, be yourself. Your 30s are a time to shine, so step out in style and make every outfit a statement of your individuality.